Now this is only a test. We have not put the screws on back, so we're gonna check if how the camera is working. We're gonna check how the camera. Let's see. Like we had problems before that we couldn't see like their. You see how could it see? We could see perfectly like all the numbers and letters. Let's see how the picture came out. Awesome. Beautiful picture. I can see all the numbers, I can see everything. So now we're gonna proceed to put all the screws back on, and that's it. The phone. I'm gonna save the old lens of the old camera. I'm gonna put it back on the old phone that doesn't work, only for emergency if this one cracks, because this one does work. The only thing that the pictures, they don't come out neat. But I'll still keep this one in case of if this other one breaks, we can still use it. But I'm gonna put all this stuff back together. And guys, if you like the video, please give it a like, and we would start making more videos. So see you guys soon when we replace the front screen.